Alright, pussy girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. We have a great release, actually a new album from Olivia Rodrigo. I think you heard about that. You seem pretty sad for a girl so in love. That's the title of that album, and we're gonna go through a couple songs at least this weekend from this album, and we're gonna start with this stupid song. It's actually not stupid, it's a great song. Before we move on with this tutorial, I need to highlight my new YouTube channel, and I need your help, guys. It's called Gordon Guitar 6 Strings Ago. I need your help to grow that channel. It's new, and if you can just please go there and subscribe and be a member of that as well. It's all I'm asking for, guys. You don't have to like this tutorial at all. You thank me in that way. You go and check out my new YouTube channel, Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Now, let's focus on this song. All right, we have a capo set on 4th fret, absolute best snare, in my opinion. And with that, we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chords, I believe, 6 chords. That's it, simple ones. Let's go into it. We're gonna start with G first. That goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next is the C G, basically a C chord but with this G note added. So it goes 3rd E, 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have this D add 4 chord. It's a version of D. It goes up here on this 5th position with the ring finger. So 5th fret A string, 4th D, open G, and 3rd B. So stay away from the E strings here, both the high and low. And that's the D add 4. And then we have the E minor. That goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the A minor next. That will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have the D. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Okay, so we have 2 different ways of handling these chords. And if you grab the first chord G, the starting string is this. So it's 3 down. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I like to mark out the first down there. So down, 2, 3. Okay. And then in the second round of the song, the second verse and so on, you're gonna go and play more to this one. You're gonna build upon these 3 downs, but you put more action to it. So a total of 8 downs, but still these 3 downs are marked out. So it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 1, the 4, and the 7 is these 3 downs. So if that makes sense, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that will be now the new string pattern in the second round and forward. So okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I like to mark out this 1, 4, and 7 to play on the higher strings down here, and chewing on the bass strings for all the other downs. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope that makes sense. Now let's go into the actual song. Starting with the first verse, we have G, 2 string rounds. We're gonna start now with this 3 down action only. Then C, G, 2, then G2, C, G1, and D add 1. So it goes like this. That is one round. You're going to play this for 2 rounds, and that's the first verse. Then comes the first chorus. And like 40 seconds into the song, your spark, that's where in the lyrics. What you're going to play now is the first half. It goes E minor, 2, CG, 2, A minor, 2, and D2. And the second half is very similar. You have just a different starting chord. It's G2 instead of E minor. So G2, CG2, A minor 2, and D2. Okay? So, first half goes like this. Second half with G and CG. Minor and D. Alright, so there you have the first chords. Now in the second round, you're gonna add up to this strumming, like I mentioned before. You have this 8 down strumming, and the second verse is just combination of G2 and CG2. So you go back and forth G2, CG2 for 4 rounds. So you have this added strumming. Second round. Two rounds right there. You're gonna double up for 4 rounds, and that's the second verse. Okay. Then we have the second chorus, play exactly in the same way as the first one. The only difference here is now we use that string pattern that added 8 down strumming. Otherwise, the same chords and everything. Then comes the bridge part right after the second chorus. What you're gonna play here now is CG, 3 string rounds, and then 1 down on G, and 2 downs on the D add 4. So it goes like this. Play that for 2 times, and then you're gonna play A minor, 2 string rounds, then CG and D add. And then you're gonna end with 8 string rounds on the G. That was for 8 rounds of that G, and that is the bridge part. Then we're gonna go into the final parts of the song, and that is to play the third and final chorus, played exactly in the same way as the previous choruses. And that, my friends, that is how we play the stupid song. The first out of this tutorials I'm gonna give you guys here from Rodrigo's new album. And again, if you want to thank me in any way, you go and check out my new YouTube channel, Gordon Guitar 6 months ago. Link is in the screen here. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. Be back. Hope to see you soon. Play tuned.